Welcome to Sales Letters at WordPressWebPro.com. What I'm going to show you how to do today is create a sales letter by using WordPress. And all you really need is a sales letter theme. I'm going to show you how to do it with our theme. Once you've downloaded the theme from our site, what you're going to do is upload the theme via FTP. The program I use for FTP is FileZilla, which you can get at filezilla.org, and it's a free program. Also, it's good for both Macintosh and Windows. Okay, once you've uploaded the theme, you're going to log into WordPress. Okay, once you're in WordPress, the first thing you have to do is either make sure your theme is picked, or you're going to have to pick that theme. For us, the theme is already current, so I'm all set, and I'm going to just create a post, which I'm going to click on Add New Post. With this theme, you can make sale pages either by adding a page or adding a post. It's entirely up to you. First thing I'm going to do is I have my copy already made. I suggest you type it out on Notepad and finalize it, and then when you're ready, just copy and paste. What I have in the sales letter is this is my title. I have a pre-title and I have a post-title, and I've made it so that it's very easy to add these titles to the WordPress theme. The first thing you're going to do is I'm going to add the title. Okay, basically copy and paste. To do the pre-title, I'm going to scroll down to custom fields, and this is the custom fields area. You have two boxes. You have a name, you have a value. In the name for the pre-title, I call it pre-head, and it's all lowercase. I'm going to copy my pre-title, and I'm going to paste it right there, and I'm going to click Add Custom Field. I'm going to want to add another one, and it's going to be called Post Head, which is the post title. Okay, and I'm going to copy that also. Paste it here, and again I'm going to click Add Custom Field. Okay, once you've done that, it's your time to add your copy. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste. Now once I've copied and pasted, now I'm going to add some styles. And to do that, it's very easy. The first thing I want to do is I have two testimonials. To use the testimonials, those are going to be block quotes, and block quotes will create the boxes around the testimonials. This is my first testimonial. This is my second. To do the testimonials in WordPress, I can't use the visual editor. I have to click on HTML, scroll down to where I see the block quote. I'm going to highlight it, and you have this B quote button is for block quote. So I'm going to click on that. The second testimonial I'm going to highlight, and I'm going to click block quote again. Once I have that, I'm going to clean up if there's any extra spaces, which I'm going to do now. Alright. Okay, and I'm going to go to the visual editor. Next thing I'm going to do is I have an unordered list. Okay, and I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to click this left unordered list button, and I've created my unordered list. Okay, The next thing I want to do is, I have my title, I have my pre-title, I have my post-title, but maybe throughout the sales letter I might want to highlight a sentence. To do that, I'm going to take this sentence, I'm going to highlight it, and WordPress, what happens is when you open up WordPress, this is what your editor looks like. If you click this extreme right hand button, it says show hide kitchen sink, you're going to see some more buttons in a drop down list. This is going to be where you'd add header tags. Well, I'm going to click on here and I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and I'm going to make this an H6 header 6 tag. What that's going to do is that's going to highlight this line in red, it's going to underline it, and it's going to be the size of an H2 tag. Okay, it's going to make it a little more prominent. I'm going to scroll down, I have another one I want to do. Okay, I'm going to do an H6. Okay, and I want to center it also. Okay, and that's done. Now I have these tags. Okay, I'm going to click H1. This is an H2 tag, a header 2. I'm going to click H2. This is an H3 tag. I'm going to click heading 3. The reason I'm doing this is just to show you, one, how easy it is to create these tags and what they do. Okay, this is heading 3, heading 4. Oops, let's make sure I did heading 4. Oh, it's a heading 3. Okay, heading 4. This is a heading 5. This is the heading 6, which is going to be that underline in red tag, and I call it actually a small header tag, and I just did an extra line called small header just to remind you what the H6 tag is. Once I've done that, again, I want to center this, so I'm going to highlight them and then click the center button. Okay. The final thing I'm going to do is I have to add my graphic Buy Now button, and I have a placeholder right here, so I'm going to highlight that, and I'm going to click the Acquire Image, Add an Image button. This is in WordPress. I'm going to select my files. I'm going to look for a tag I want to use. I'm going to use this one. Okay, I'm going to scroll down and make sure I'm centered. You can pick your size. I want medium. In this box, it's the link URL. This is where you're going to put your affiliate link or the link to your shopping cart. So when you click on the button, when a buyer clicks on the button, it'll take you to a shopping cart, or it'll take you to the affiliate page. And I'm going to click Insert into Post. Okay. Once I've done that, I'm all finished. And all I'm going to do is click Publish. Okay, published. Just making sure it's done. Alright, now I'm going to go into, click Refresh. And this is a sales letter. This is your pre-head tag. This is your title. This is your post-head tag. This is that H6 tag or subheader tag. This is your testimonial box. Here's another testimonial box. Here's your ordered list, and you have little graphic check marks. This again is that subheading tag, the H6 tag. Okay, these are all the header tags. This is your Buy It Now with your button. And there you go, the sales page, and it didn't take very long.